Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy stocks from Webull, step by step. First, you will need to set up your Webull account. Download the Webull app from your App Store or visit their website. Follow the prompts to register, providing your personal information and linking a bank account. Once your account is approved, deposit funds, perhaps a minimum of $100, to get started. This initial step is crucial for your trading journey. Now that your account is funded, it is time to find a stock. Use the search bar at the top of the Webull app to type in a company's ticker symbol, like Opel for Apple. Explore the stock's detailed page, which offers real-time market data, financial news, and analyst ratings. Take advantage of the charting tools to understand past performance and make an informed decision before proceeding. With your chosen stock in mind, tap the Trade button. You will then select your order type. A market order buys shares immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price you are willing to pay. Enter the number of shares you want to acquire, for example, 10 shares, and review your order details carefully. Finally, confirm your purchase to execute the trade. Congratulations, you have made your first stock purchase. Now, it is important to manage your investments. Regularly check your portfolio's performance through the Webull app to stay informed. You can also set up alerts to notify you of price movements or breaking news related to your holdings. Remember, diversifying your investments across different companies and industries can help mitigate risk over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.